In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Nintendo Switch 2 Pro Controller not connecting. So guys, if you want to connect the Pro Controller to an iPhone, Android or PC, that is not possible yet. I tried it yesterday for like 1.5 hours, then I went researching it, but Nintendo doesn't have the Switch 2 Pro Controller compatible yet with the PC or other devices, so you can only connect the Pro Controller to your own Nintendo Switch 2. Now, if you have trouble with connecting the Pro Controller to the Switch 2, what you could try is first hold the sync button here until the green lights pop up. And then if the green lights don't pop up after you have held the sync button for over 10 seconds, then this probably means that your Pro Controller has no battery. Grab then the charging cable that came with the Pro Controller. One end you plug here in the Pro Controller itself, and then the other end you plug in the dock. Let it charge for at least 50 minutes. Hold then the sync button again, and the green lights then should appear. If the lights are appearing but the controller is not connecting, check if your Switch 2 is up to date. So go to System Settings, scroll down to System, and then select System Update, and then check if there is an update. So for my Switch there's an update, so if you click on it, Update System, OK, and update the Switch. If it is still not connecting, then try to restart the Switch 2. So hold the power button here in the left top until this black screen pops up. Select power options and then select restart. Yes, try then to reconnect your Pro Controller to the Switch 2. So go to Controllers, select Change Grip Order, and then what we need to do is we need to press again here on the sync button until the green lights pop up. And then here you see it is paired. So if you press on A, now the Switch 2 controller is connected. So guys, I hope this video was helpful.